Hey, Mark Fitzpatrick here. Welcome to the ugly condo in a prime location renovation. Not looking so ugly anymore, is it? If you haven't seen the previous videos, check those out so you can see sort of how this is taking shape. A little bit messy right now, but not ugly anymore. It's starting to transform. So you can see we have some cabinets here, got a dryer, but this space is mostly cleaned out from the original stuff. And the flooring's done. Let's go into the kitchen. If you saw the previous video, if you didn't, just check that out so you can see what it looked like before and originally. At the very end, when we're all done, we'll show you the before and after, kind of a quick transformation. But you can see, right, there's actually stuff here now. We had it, the original stuff, then it was completely emptied, gutted, and now we got original stuff. Countertops are in, cabinets, got to put the hardware in. Got a few more pieces here. Appliances are here. A refrigerator is coming tomorrow. Inside here, the second bathroom, we still got to get some lighting, things like that, ready for grouting. Floor has to be done still. There's Kiko. He's working on the master, which is completely transformed. There's Kiko. Say hi, Kiko.
Hey, how you doing?
It's looking better.
Yes.
It's taking shape.
Yeah.
It's gonna be beautiful when it's done.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
So about a week away, about 1 week away, and we'll bring you back in once before that, and then when we get all the furniture in, and then it'll be ready to go live. So check out the other videos. Hit the subscribe notification so you can see it when it's done. You're gonna wanna see this when it's done. If you watch this, you definitely wanna see what it looks like when it's finished. We are getting really, really close. Super excited about that. All the little things have to sort of take shape right here. This screen, I gotta check on that when I leave. I actually had the building engineer work on that. If they don't get it, then we'll get it. And HVAC, there is a clogged line. Actually, let me go check with Kiko on that to make sure I'm not missing something. Kiko, the HVAC, that's Armando said something about a clogged line. We have to get a company out there, right?
Yes, it was like a frozen.
Okay.
I think maybe because of that.
Okay.
It's not too much.
Okay. I just get a service call from the HVAC company. Okay. Little things, right? Little things at the end. So screens, HVAC service visit, make sure all that's good. When we deliver the property over, we want it to be good and make sure the new owner is really, really getting a beautiful place and everything's working. So that's it. We are 1 week away. Then it's get the furniture in, get everything prepped and primed, photos, videos, put it out there. And if you know anybody looking, or if you're looking, then message me, 240-696-4133 or the number down below, and be happy to get you in for a first look at this brand new condo. I'm gonna call it brand new because it's basically brand new. Block and a half from Whole Foods, Pike and Rose, 3 blocks away. All year round pool, indoor pool, across the street. Awesome, check it out. See you soon. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care.